Okay, class, what is 1 plus 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Sikhumbuzo.
0.
1 plus 1. Kuba ubani?
0.
Beka. Ngine cover A1, nginenye A1. Mangihlanganisa sinama cover ayingakhi?
0.
Yikuba bakasibulele. Dom. Okay, guys, so if namhlanje is Tuesday, sasa yizoba yini? Sikhumbuzo.
Monday.
Nasikhumbuzo. The days of the week go Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So if namhlanje is Tuesday, sasa yi where?
Tuesday.
Ja, sasa asi Tuesday. Wangakutholi lokho engqondweni yakho. Impam. Fuck off, yes. Two.
Okay, class. So what shape is this? Sikhumbuzo. The child the same.
Yeah.
Okay, go for it. It has 3 equal sides. Yini?
Dodecahedron.
Ini?
Dodecahedron.
Nasikhumbuzo. Uhayithi khanda? Hayi, uzoyithola next time, ne? Kithi thola omunye umuntu. Thola ke le codishele iclass lonke ukuthi what shape is this? It has 3 equal sides.
Polyhydroxide.
Okay, maybe let's zokusiza. Image ngoba bakho. Triangle. Lishaba siqala umqolo sifuza inyoko. Okay, guys, planning to know what color is the grass. Ujana o color bani?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Sikhumbuzo.
Purple.
Mrs. Nkabela, you are under arrest for the attempted murder of Sikhumbuzo. Remember, Tlamini, you have the right to remain silent in every charge.